Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing devices so streaming works reliably. On the Xbox, enable remote features and set power mode to instant on. That lets the console wake for remote play. Make sure your iPhone or iPad has the Xbox app and is signed into the same account, and that Apple TV and the mobile device share the same Wi-Fi network. 5 GHz reduces latency. Pair your controller to the mobile device now, because once you initiate remote play, you'll switch to AirPlay quickly. Once done with prep, open the Xbox app and go to the console tab to start remote play. The app will locate your console and stream the feed to your mobile device. Verify controller input and audio on the phone. This ensures controller mapping is correct before sending video to Apple TV. Next, use AirPlay from the control center or within the app to mirror or target the Xbox app to Apple TV. Choose the desired video quality. Lower it if bandwidth is limited. Now finish by accepting the AirPlay request on Apple TV and switching to full screen. You should see the Xbox UI streamed from the mobile device, and your controller should respond. For the smoothest experience, put Xbox and Apple TV on wired Ethernet or a strong 5 GHz Wi-Fi and minimize other network traffic. If you encounter lag or disconnections, first restart the console, Apple TV, and your phone, then lower stream quality or, if needed, plug the Xbox directly in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.